Hello everyone, this is Life Micro Skills. Today's knots article introduces adult knots to you. This knot is known as the king of knots. This knot evolved from a single knot. First we prepare a blue rope, make a knot for it. The single knot approach should be very simple. Take a loop. This is a single knot. However, the approach of single knot may sometimes be different. First, after the single knot is made, and we pull this place, the circle up. You can also make it a little bigger. We can pull that bigger when we use it. Let's take a look at the short end of the rope at the bottom. Bypass the main rope from the bottom. Put it into the small circle above. And then we tighten the bottom main rope. After tightening, it is an adult knot. It is used very widely in life, trailers, hoist. Weighing people is very practical, especially when outdoors. It is very practical. If you are interested, you can try it out. This is called a human knot. Did you learn it? Well, today's video we share here. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please like it and follow it. See you next time. Bye.